So in this video, we're going to talk about how you can go ahead and create a brand store on Amazon from scratch. So without further ado, let's get to it. So we're going to show you how you can go ahead and create a brand store like this and how you can go ahead and have individual tiles as well as have different headlines that customers can go ahead and click and shop. So without further ado, let's go. So in order to go ahead and create a brand store on Amazon, what you want to go ahead and do is go ahead and go to your Amazon advertising portal. From there, you can go ahead and click brand content, and from there, you can go to brand stores. From that point on, you've literally got a brand store template you can go ahead and use from scratch. Now, I recorded this video once already. The audio wasn't recording, so some of the stuff is already done, but we're going to walk you through everything from scratch. So from the homepage, you can go ahead and create a drag and drop section of the Amazon store. So you can go ahead and add a new section. So here you got your product selector, you got your video reveal, split sections, um, which is this section here. The split sections is one of the key ones that people like to use on Amazon. The text feature doesn't really look great on Amazon. The text looks like this, so you don't get to include your brand font. The best thing to go ahead and do when you're editing the brand image, you go ahead and add the fonts that you want exactly how you want it based on your brand. And you can go ahead and upload that on Amazon and Amazon store. With the sections, you've also got tiles available, which we've got here for the products and also a split section here for 4 different wild tiles. So there's literally lots of different formats in which the tiles come in. So you can go ahead and customize them how you want. Then you got obviously the image. So this is the image here, similar to what we had before. You put the text on it. These ones you don't want to use. A shoppable image is essentially an image where a customer can just go in and they can click on the item in the image. So for example, here there's some cards here. If you put a shoppable image, the customer could just click here and then it'll show them information about the cards and then they can go to the page to go ahead and purchase the cards on Amazon. A product tile is literally, it's got the information of the product here, it's got the image here, and customers can literally add to the cart, buy, see the price and what they need. So it's pretty intuitive. All the information here, it's very simple to go ahead and use. If you want to go ahead and build a separate page, so we've got the home page here. You can go ahead and build out a bestsellers page. And what you want to go ahead and do is just click add a page here, which brings up Amazon's AI assistant. We don't want to use the Amazon AI assistant. I tried it earlier. There were quite a few errors, so they're still working on these, still fixing things. Maybe by the time you watch this video, it's going to be perfect. So we're going to go to add page without AI assistance. And from here, they've got a few selections that you can go ahead and pick from. So we're just going to start with the marquee section, which has got a few tiles for us to go ahead and fill. So we'll start there. You can also start with a blank one. You can customize your store however you want. So we'll just put Juana Bestsellers 2. And then just put Bestsellers 2 here as well. And then we'll just go ahead and create a page. So from here, you can add a shoppable image. So we'll just go here. You go ahead and upload, or you can choose from the creative assets you already have on Amazon. So we'll go for the creative assets. This is the AI image generated by Amazon. We'll start there. So the product is here available. And then you just go here, add product. So we'll search all of Amazon. I'll go for now, product is not currently available, but here customers can just click, bam, wham, thank you, ma'am. And that's it. You can go ahead and shop the product. Very simple, very intuitive to go ahead and use. Won't be able to see it now, but you can share a preview here. And you can share it with customers, clients, and everyone can have a look, click through, see if they like it, and then you can submit the store for publishing. Now here, adding a tile, like I said, you can add the image with the font. If you go ahead and type in a text, for example, VFF, Guana, it looks very dry. It's an Amazon's font. It's not much customization you can do here. I'll go ahead and change this since Amazon's flagged it as well. So there's lots more you can go ahead and do when you customize it for yourself. And then we'll add a tile here just to show you an example of what a product tile would look like. So we'll go for another product, search all of Amazon. So we've got that here. So you got the price. You can go ahead and put some information. These ones are quite good. Best seller. and look very intuitive. Looks like Amazon's format, very easy to go ahead and shop, but you can also use a shoppable image as well. But this information goes ahead and updates as customers go ahead and buy. So it says only 5 left in stock. You can go ahead and change the layout, left to right, image size, etc. So if you wanted to go ahead and create a a tab underneath the bestseller section, what you would do is literally this tab here, rather than it being on the inside like this, you just shift it to the outside. So then it creates a second tab. If you put on the outside, separate tab. If you put on the inside, it becomes a drop down menu of the other store. So building a store on Amazon is pretty simple, pretty intuitive. If you need some help or examples, guidelines, go ahead and use the link in the description. If you want our help to go ahead and build this out, use the link in the description also to go ahead and book a consultation call. All right, thank you. Catch you soon.